Welcome. Okay, so I know I don't want you to look at my nuts there, my truck nuts there, but hey, it's a cool little light up thing. You can get these on Amazon there. Cool little blinker thing. It's kind of bright outside, but we got some light on it. I'm here to talk about the chain maintenance, okay? Most important thing to keep your chain running the longest on these bikes here so you're not eating up chains. Number one is have your sprocket properly aligned. Check the link down there. I've got a video for chain issues showing people what you need to do to keep your chain from coming off. That's really your number one enemy of chains on these bikes here. Let's get a little bit better view of the whole thing here. Is misalignment. The chain comes off, it gets caught up here between the frame and the sprocket, your wheels turning, snaps that chain. That's the biggest issue of the chain here. I'll run these things here. This chain here is all covered with rust. Really, it's fine. You can see there's some grit and grime on it. If you're really concerned about your chain, take it off from time to time, particularly if you leave your bike outside like over the winter. Take it off, soak it in some gasoline. Use your premix if you're running a two-stroke, your 40-to-1 mixture there. Soak it overnight in some gas. Take your wire brush, brush it down real good, get the plates nice and clean. Dry it off, put it back on. You don't want to run with a bunch of oil on it. If you have it all lubed up and there's oil all over it, you're going to be slinging oil all over the place. And if you're anal retentive about keeping your bike clean and the like, you can tell I'm not. But if you really want to keep your bike clean, you're going to be slinging oil everywhere, and that's going to make a mess on your bike. Just keep them clean. That's the biggest thing. A little bit of oil here and there, then wipe it off and run it. Keep it aligned. Use your proper tensioner. I'll put a link down below. Now this tensioner here, I welded onto the frame. That way this is not going to go into the spokes. There's the arch tensioner that I'll recommend for some of you here. That's a pretty good deal. It'll never go into the spokes. What else we got here? I also market a better chain. It's a number 41 chain. If you want, I'll sell you the chain breaker tool. Check the link down below there. It's a little bit stronger than the original stock chain. It's a little bit wider. You got a little bit more wiggle room with the number 41 chain. It may rub a little bit here on the inside of the case of your two-stroke. However, not a big deal. It'll just grind out its little place and life will be fine. So if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button down there somewhere. Hey, wear a helmet, be safe. Those cars, they're not looking for you. They're busy texting, all right? So be careful, all right? Take care.